Today I'll be making a pen with the lathe, and the wood I'm using is tonung. It's a really hard wood, and it has a nice red color to it. Right now I'm going to be drilling the holes for the pens. So this tube is going to go inside of this piece of wood, so I'm going to use this drill press and drill a hole. See the hole right through there, and this tube is gonna fit right in that hole. You can see how it fits perfect right in there. You don't want the hole too big or too small. You just want it nice and snug. I'm going to now glue the tube in with super glue. These tubes, you want to make sure they fit good before you glue them in. You just put the glue on the outside of the tube. You want to let it sit for like 5 minutes. I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes till I start lathing them. I'm going to start lathing soon. I usually lathe with the speed all the way up to 4,000. And these are the two knives I'm using. I'm gonna use this knife first. This is the one for the rough cut, and then this other one's for the fine cutting. Right now I'm putting the polish on. This is the pen kit that I'm using. It's a slimline gunmetal one, and these are the pieces of wood I just lathed. They have a nice dark red color to them. But I'm going to be using this pen press to push the pen pieces together. I'm going to first start with the end of the pen, this piece, and push it on to the front piece of one of these. While I do this, I'm going to be using this napkin to hold the pieces of wood so they don't get damaged while I do this. I got this piece pushed together nice and good. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. But I'll drop a link in the description below where you can purchase any of these pens, and I make a lot of them. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.